Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have three different job updates for today. So the first company is Adobe and the second one is Panasonic and the third one is BTECH Technologies. So we shall see the job details and everything for all of these three companies. So the first company for today it is Adobe and the role they are hiring it is for SDE, that is Software Development Engineer, and the experience for this it is for freshers, and the degree required so for B or BTech graduates in either computer science or any other related technical streams, so they are eligible to apply. And the salary or the CTC, the expected salary of the CTC, it ranges from 12 to 20 lakhs per annum, and the work location for this is Noida. So then we shall see the application link for the Adobe. So they are particularly looking for the C++ developer, and so you need to have the knowledge on C++, which is the mandatory skill for this. And then coming to the application link for this, so there are 5 different steps to apply for this. So the first thing is that you need to fill my information, wherein you are going to fill your personal details and everything. And the second one is like my experience, so you are going to like add your experience details and all. And then there will be few application related questions and then voluntary disclosure questions, and lastly you need to review your application form and submit it. So do sure like make sure that you upload your updated resume and do add the C++ skills, and if you have done any of the certifications you can add that. And also like you need to have knowledge on data structures and algorithms. So this is the complete detail about the Adobe. And the second company is Panasonic. So they are also looking for the SD, that is Software Development Engineer 1 with the knowledge of C++, and the experience is for freshers, and the salary is best in industry, and the work location for this is Pune. So as said, the qualification is bachelor's degree in either computer science or software engineering or electrical engineering or the equivalent streams. And coming to the skill sets which are required to apply for this, like you need to have good understanding of C or C++ programming. So the preferably like C++ 17 or the later version. So this is needed to apply for this. And you need to have knowledge and understanding of real-time multi-threaded software development, and familiarity with the software development under Linux OS. And you need to have knowledge on socket programming, IPC, as well as S, uh, PUB as well as SUB architecture, and understanding of some of the networking OSI layers and the protocols such as TCP protocol, UDP, as well as Internet Protocol, that is IP, as well as HTTP. And so you need to have knowledge on networking switching, like network switching and routing concepts. And apart from that, good written as well as verbal communication skills are needed to apply for this role. So coming to the application link for this, first you are supposed to create an account, so you can enter your email address and you can create the password, and then you can directly log in and you can complete all the details. And so this is about the second company. And the third company it is Braves Technologies. So the role they are hiring it is for associate software engineer, and the degree required so it is for B or BTech graduates, and the batch eligible is either 2023 or 2024, and the experience so 6 months to 1 year is needed, and the salary or the CTC so best in industry, and the work location for this will be Pune, so it will be like work from home. So coming to the the skill sets for this, so as said location will be Pune, that is remote work from home. And coming to the skills, so you need to have knowledge on either Python programming, which is the mandatory skill, as well as the SQL knowledge. So if you have the Python certification, so it will be an added advantage. And the education qualification, like education and the work experience, like 6 months to 1 year is needed, and the batch 2023 or 24, and for B or BTech in either ENTC or electrical engineering. So these are the main skills which are required. So like you need to have the basic understanding of object oriented programming and the knowledge of Python or any other scripting, and one must have the good understanding of data structures and algorithms. So to apply, you can just click on apply now. So like you will be navigated to the application form. So like the application form, it is very simple. Like you need to fill the your basic details. First thing is you need to apply with the resume. Like you can upload the updated resume. Then you can enter your first name, middle name, last name, and your email address, and then your contact details and the current CTC and the expected CTC and the current location you are working and the notice period. And these are the two mandatory skills which are needed. Like you must have knowledge on SQL as well as the Python scripting. So like you need to mention in years, like how much years of experience, like do you have the experience in SQL or no. Same for the Python. And like you need to upload the certificate for the Python if you have, and you can provide the Git URL if you have done any of the projects through Python, so you can add that also. And then like you need to add your education details and then employer details. Like after that you can just submit the application form. So this is all about the third company for today, that is Braves Technologies. So the link for all of these three companies, so it will be provided in the description, so you can apply for these roles accordingly. Thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.